Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can change CSS for any element on the page. It is very easy. Let's say I want to change the color of this button. So what I'll do is, first of all, I'll have to find out the ID of this section and then go deeper. So I can do inspect element, go here and find the top level div, which has an ID. So I can go like, or you need to know a bit of CSS, under this ID, go to this button, and then you can do that. And once you have figured out the ID and the element, you can write the CSS very easily by clicking on this build with AI, which appears in between any two sections. So click on this and it will give you this option. This bot is simply where you can just tell the bot what to do is to create a new section. But interesting part is it also has this code element. When you click on this code element, currently it is blank because we haven't used that AI to create any section, but you can write your custom CSS here that under that they go to this specific element and then you can put gradient or anything, whatever you want to change. You can put that custom CSS over here and then you can say execute, save, and that's it. And that's how you can embed and change any CSS on any page.